Ha?
Can you catch the birds?
No, no. You look, oh. Oh.
Oh, come. Oh.
Can you catch the birds, Mama?
No, no.
Can you catch?
No, no.
Oh, Andre. Gusto talaga niya maghuli.
Kaya nga.
Kaya, I cannot catch. See? Oh. Uy, catch nga, oh. Hindi niya mahuli. Catch. Because they are strong. They move immediately. Talaga niya huliin eh.
Ha?
Talaga niya ihuli.
Kaya nga, gusto niya huliin yung isa. Nanggigil na siya.
Gigil na siya.
Gumaya na balat eh.
Tawa.
You know.
Catch, Mama.
No, no. Hindi pwede, kuya.
Catch Auntie Bird.
I cannot catch. Because the birds fly immediately. Auntie not strong. Auntie fell down. You want auntie, dapat auntie there, and then you will smile. Your auntie will go tumbling. And then Yaya feed auntie. Oh, you see? Oh, I cannot catch. Oh, you see? Oh, Yaya. Oh. No, I cannot catch.